I suddenly woke up on the floor of a classroom. My head hurt, and a girl was laughing. "Isabella, are you sleeping again?" she asked. It was my classmate, Sophia. But Sophia was the person who killed me on my 30th birthday. How was she here? How was I here? I looked at my hands. They were young. I looked around. This was my old high school. I was 18 years old again. The memories hit me like a storm. I remembered the poison in my drink. I remembered Sophia's cold smile as I fell. She was my best friend, but she lied about everything. She wanted my money. She wanted my life. Now, I have a second chance. I have to stop her. But she is sitting right next to me, smiling like nothing happened. How do I fight a killer who is my only friend? My name is Isabella. Let me tell you about my first life. I was a simple girl from a poor family. I got a scholarship to a good school. I worked very hard. I was the valedictorian. I thought I was lucky. Sophia was my classmate. She was rich and popular. Everyone liked her. But she was also a bully. She would make fun of my old clothes. She would laugh when I got detention for things I did not do. She lied to the principal about me. But after school, she would be nice to me. She would share her lunch. She would say, "You are my only real friend, Isabella." I believed her. I trusted her with my life. After graduation, I started a small business. It became very big. I became very rich. Sophia was always there. She was my business partner. But she was secretly stealing money from the company. I found out on my 30th birthday. I saw the papers. I saw her name on secret bank accounts. I confronted her at my birthday party. She smiled and handed me a drink. "Happy birthday, my friend," she said. I drank. Then I felt a sharp pain. I fell to the floor. The last thing I saw was her face. She was not sad. She was counting the money in her head. Now, I am back. It is the first week of school. Sophia is walking towards me in the hallway. "Hey, new girl," she says with a sweet smile. "Do you want to be friends?" My hands shake. I know this smile. It is the smile of a killer. I decide to play along. I need to be her friend to learn her secrets. But this time, I will be smart. In my past life, I only studied. I never looked at what Sophia was doing. Now, I watch her very carefully. During the exam week, I see her cheating. She has a small paper under her desk. In my first life, I would have stayed quiet. But now, I raise my hand. "Excuse me, sir," I say to the teacher. "I think Sophia is cheating." The whole class goes silent. Sophia's face turns red. She is shocked. She never thought I would betray her. The teacher takes her paper. Sophia gets detention. After class, she finds me. Her eyes are full of anger. "Why did you do that?" she hisses. "I thought we were friends." I look at her. Friends don't lie, Sophia, I say. She is confused. She does not understand how I know her secret. But this is only the beginning. I start to work even harder. I win the scholarship contest. I become the top student. Sophia is jealous. She starts to spread rumors about me. She tells everyone I am a thief. She wants to destroy my reputation before it even begins. One night, she follows me to the library. I am alone. The lights are off. She grabs my arm. "You think you are so smart," she whispers. "But you will never win." I pull my arm away. "I already did," I say. But in my heart, I am scared. She is dangerous. And she knows I am a threat. It is the night of the prom. I wear a simple blue dress. Sophia wears an expensive red gown. She looks like a queen. But I know her secret. I have been gathering proof for weeks. I found her diary. I found letters to her real family, a group of criminals who help her steal from rich students. Tonight, I will expose her. During the prom, the principal gives a speech. He talks about honesty and hard work. Then, I walk onto the stage. I take the microphone. I have something to say. I begin. About a student who is not what she seems. Everyone is quiet. Sophia is smiling at me from the crowd. She thinks this is a joke. I hold up the diary. "This diary belongs to Sophia," I say. "It tells the truth. She is not a rich girl. She is a thief. She plans to steal from this school and disappear." The crowd gasps. Sophia's smile vanishes. She runs to the stage. "Lies. She is lying," she screams. But the principal opens the diary. He reads a page. His face becomes serious. Security guards come. They take Sophia. She fights and screams. "You will pay for this, Isabella," she yells. "I will come back for you." As they drag her away, I feel a strange peace. I changed my fate. I saved myself. But then, a thought hits me. In my first life, Sophia was not working alone. Someone else helped her poison me. Who was it? I look into the crowd. My eyes stop on one person. My tutor, Mr. Davis. He is watching me with a cold, familiar smile. Mr. Davis was Sophia's secret partner in my first life. He was the one who gave her the poison. He was the one who taught her how to steal. He was hiding in plain sight, just like her. In this new life, I stopped Sophia. But I did not stop him. He is still here. He is still dangerous. I know my fight is not over. But I am not the same scared girl. I have knowledge. I have courage. I will not trust so easily again. I will watch everyone. I will protect my heart. My second chance is not just for revenge. It is to build a life that is truly mine. No more lies. No more false friends. Just me, my strength, and the truth. The lesson is this: trust is a gift. Do not give it to people who smile while they hold a knife behind their back. Sometimes, the person who says I am your friend is the one you need to fear the most.